Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today we are going to talk about website again in regards to how do we create a website for ourselves. So here on my page, we actually have the WordPress. Not only WordPress, you actually have other tools like OpenCart. I think you have the other one, it's called WooCommerce. Pretty much, yeah, WooCommerce. You have other things like that. You are able to actually leverage them and you can actually pay them. I think you can just download WooCommerce, it's free, I think. Yep, so you can actually log in with WordPress.com and stuff like that. So yeah, basically they have their own opt-in pages and stuff like that also. So how are you gonna use it? Okay, how are you gonna do it? Alright. So firstly, you can actually go to WordPress, you get yourself, a pricing plan, you can start with free, stuff like that. Once you click into it, you're able to actually start doing layouting of your products, of your own website, how you want to create it yourself. Or you can actually go to YouTube and start finding, there are actually plenty of them, I think. Yeah, let me just, search it for you guys. So you can see YouTube, how to make a website with WordPress. Pretty much this is way easier. I just want to find something that's niche. Yeah, you can actually see WordPress for beginners. They will start teaching you how you're going to use it and stuff like that. So pretty much that's easy. Okay, I've mentioned to you some tools. So next I want to talk to you guys about themes. So pretty much those people that you guys are doing website for the first time, you guys don't know what is themes. Themes is actually things like websites and stuff. Themes is actually like a skeleton or a layout for your website. The reason why you want to use themes is because you want to save time and you don't want to actually go and create a theme for yourself. Alright? So here you can actually see a few themes they have. You just click into it, you can actually see how the templates look like. So this is actually called a portal. Here you scroll down, you can actually see how they are, how they look like. Yeah, you can see actually they have this header building and stuff like that. They teach you how to use it, what are the few things that you have, the layout, the theme colors, all the different things. And these things are all created for you already. The things that you need to do is just to edit all the colors, how are the layout looking at, how to use them, how to on, what are different plugins, what to on, what to off. All those things that you want, they have actually crafted for you. It's pretty much like you're buying a working project, and then now you're gonna actually change it for reuse. Or you can actually just don't change anything and use it, right? So you just need to change all the different letters, all the different informations that you require, paste up on your new images and stuff like that. Okay, there are some people that tell you that themes is bad, don't use themes. I really don't know, because I myself, I use theme. For home thoughts, I use a theme, and then after that I'll optimize the other things myself. Like for the sidebar, I've done it on myself. All the little pages, all these things here are actually all part of the theme. What people are seeing here on the store is all theme. Actually, all these things is theme. The only thing that I changed is all the wordings, adding a sidebar for myself so I'm able to actually move the page around. Also adding this little up arrow here, so you're able to actually go all the way up when you are scrolling down. Because this is a one page. If I got more pages, you will have to scroll all the way down, and it will take some time for you to scroll back to find information. So why not just having these side buttons where you can click on to find all the little information and whatever that you need. So you got to make the customers know how to easily use your website, how they are able to use it. And also themes, right? They are actually much more time saving, they are much more efficient at the same time. So pretty much this is how you can actually get your website running. Using theme or not, it's up to you. You can actually craft them using WordPress, OpenCart, WooCommerce, and some other tools out there that are free. So pretty much I've come to the end of this video teaching you guys how you're able to actually create your own website. Depending on what type of things you're going to use, you can actually go to YouTube and actually find a step-by-step guide to how to create them. Alright, so my name is Forever Looney. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video. Alright, if you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel. Okay, share with your friends on Facebook. I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have. Alright, like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.